Why search engine marketing is so important. The modern day marketing scenario is entirely dependent on how well you put up your product on the internet, and that is precisely why search engine marketing is so essential for your business. Commonly referred to as SME, it is a practice of marketing using paid advertisements that appear on a particular search engine result page. If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal clients to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. It is a highly effective advertising model that can help your business product reach new heights and generate quality leads with minimal effort. If you plan to grow, you have to know search engine marketing or SME. It is the best weapon in your arsenal. Below, we have explained how SME works and why it is necessary for your business. What is search engine marketing? Search engine marketing is a form of internet-based promotions used to increase product visibility through search engines. Today, all the major e-commerce stores and established internet entities use this technique to grow their businesses online. To start with, SME is based on keywords. Users on popular search engines like Google and Bing use keywords to distinguish searches. And advertisers such as us bid on these keywords so that our product or service will be showcased with every search query through that particular keyword. The showcase ads come in a variety of formats so that you can choose the perfect one, depending on your business model. These are small, text-based, and PLAs, product listings. The thing that makes search engines marketing so efficient is that your product reaches thousands of potential customers who are ready to purchase at the right moment. The benefits of search engine marketing. Reach millions. The primary reason why businesses around the globe choose search engine marketing is to amplify their reach. As we all know, the internet is not bound by physical boundaries of countries. Hence, it grants you the ability to extend your product visibility with limitless growth cap. Cost effective. When you compare SME to any regular advertising model, you will get to know the immense benefit it holds. A routine advertising campaign would force you to spend thousands of bucks and a lot of hassle. Whereas in search engine marketing, you just need to buy a keyword along with the minimum pay-per-click charges and your product is ready to reach millions. Future-proof. This coronavirus pandemic has taught us one thing, and that is the future of marketing and advertising is on the internet. While we are shut in our homes due to the fear of COVID-19, businesses that were already using SME continued their growth and scaling. So if you want a future-proof way to market your products, then search engine marketing is the way to go. Way ahead of its competitors, the techniques of search engine marketing is way ahead of its competitors in terms of providing quality and scalability at a decent price point. Your regular advertising will never reach the efficiency of SME, and a prime example of this can be seen in the corona pandemic. Why is SME important to your business? Most of the old school marketers still avoid integrating SEM in their marketing strategies, but they are missing out on one of the most efficient ways to generate leads. PPC or pay-per-click grants sustainable traffic on your website, which in turn helps in creating certified leads. Comparatively, PPC costs a lot less when you compare to other marketing campaigns. Small startups and businesses in the initial stages should use PPC to put forth their product and services. On top of it, PPC marketing provides instant results if you have chosen a keyword with a heavy traffic and selected the perfect ad type, then chances are you will get instant leads. Along with improved visibility and speed, this process also grants greater control over your target audience. The search can dominate the quality of audience that visits your website. However, you can use the PPC tools such as calls to action, bullet points, and price bar to have complete control of the viewership. The last aspect of search engine marketing is its customization potential. Any other advertising mediums allow very minimum control over how the campaign goes because most of the time it is distributed by various physical measures. But that's not the case with search engine marketing, as you can change your approach and strategy at any given moment. The SME is the present and future, and jumping in this boat is hardly a matter of choice. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at transform your website from a home page into a marketing tool. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.